Having trouble accessing the control center from your iPhone's lock screen? This can happen if specific settings are turned off or if there are restrictions in place. In this guide, I'll show you how to easily enable and access the control center from the lock screen. So let's dive right in. Solution 1. Enable control center access on lock screen. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode depending on your device. Enter your passcode to proceed. Scroll to Allow Access when locked section. Ensure Control Center is toggled on. Solution 2. Check Control Center settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Control Center. Ensure the Access on Lock Screen toggle is turned on. If it's already enabled, toggle it off and then on again to refresh the setting. By following these simple steps, you should now be able to easily access the Control Center directly from your iPhone's lock screen. If this guide helped you out, or if you have any more questions, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.